Hello dear students, welcome to online classes by Konnur English Medium School LLT. So myself Prasad Turkule, I am teaching mathematics. So today we will start a chapter from mathematics. So before starting the chapter, first we should have to know how many chapters are there for you for this year in the 8th standard. So totally you are getting 16 chapters in this year. So in these 16 chapters, 7 chapters you are getting in the first part and 9 chapters you are getting in the second part. So today we will start a chapter from the first part. So that is the chapter playing with numbers. So today we will discuss a chapter playing with numbers. So before starting the chapter, so the name itself says that playing with numbers. So before playing with the numbers, we should have to know what is number. So if you know the definition of the number, then we can play with them. So we should have to know what is number. Number is a mathematical object used to count, measure and label. It is one of the mathematical object used to count and used to measure and also used to label. So already you know the number. So before knowing the number, how do you write the number? So you are writing a number using the digits. So using the digits from 0 to 9. So from 0 to 9 there are 10 digits. Using these 10 digits you are writing a number. So those numbers are 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9 and 9. So totally using these 10 numbers we are writing a numbers. All the numbers will come in between these 0 to 9. So I will take one of the example. So that is 123. It is one of the number. In this number we have a digits 1, 2 and 3. Those will come in between these. So it means this is a number. And also I have studied about the Roman numbers 1, 2, 3. So these are also numbers. It means these are labels. So these are labels. The labels are also a number. So these are the Roman numbers. And you have seen a scale. So on the scale you are having a number also. 1, 2, 2. In between these you are having 10 numbers. So like this, on the scale you have seen a number. It is for these we are using for measurements. It is also says that a definition itself says that a number is a mathematical object used to measure. So it means using the scale we are measuring any value. So that is also a number. So next you have studied in the previous years about the types of the numbers. So the types of the numbers are natural numbers, whole numbers, integers, rational numbers, irrational numbers. So these are all the types of the numbers you have studied. So now we are discussing a chapter playing with numbers. So in this playing with numbers, so you are going to study about the generalized form. You are studying about the generalized form and you are going to study about the normal form, or it may be called as usual form, normal form, and you are going to study about the puzzles. Some mathematical puzzles you are studying in this one. So after this you are studying about the divisibility tests. So these are very important in this chapter, divisibility test. And at last you are studying about the magic square. So these topics, it means that these subtitles you are studying in this chapter. So let us start with the generalized form. So this generalized form in the previous classes only you have studied already. So again you have got this in the 8th standard also. So generalized form, what it means? So generalized form is it is said to be, a number is said to be in generalized form if it is expressed as sum of the products of its digits with their respective place values. So in the last class, in the 6th standard, 7th standard, you have studied about the place value chart, and you have studied about how to write the numbers using a place value chart. So unit place, tens place, hundred place, thousand place, So using those place values, you are writing a number in generalized form. It means in the expanded form you have to write a number. So let us, I will take one of the example for that. So using that example, you come to understand how to write a number in the generalized form. So let us, I will consider a number 1234. 1234. So this number you want to write in the generalized form. It means in the expanded form. So before writing that in the expanded form, you should have to know which numbers are there in which places. So here 4, it is in the unit place. 3, it is in the tens place. 2, it is in the hundred place. And 1, it is in the thousands place. So now you have to expand the number. So first I will start with 1. So 1, it is in the thousand place. So 1 into 1000. In place of this one, if you have 5 means you have to write here 5 into 1000. Here we are having 1, so I have written 1 into 1000. Plus, next 2 is there, 2 into. So 2 is in 100 place. So 2 into 100. Plus 3 into 10 plus 4 into 1. So we have written expanded the number. So this is nothing but the expanded form or the number which we have written in the generalized form. So 1 into 1000 is 1000. Plus 2 into 100 is 200. Plus 3 into 10 is 30. Plus 4 into 1 is 4. So now we have expanded the number. So this is nothing but a number which we have written in the general form. I think you have understood this first example. So let us retake one more example. Then we will clear about what is generalized form and how to write a number in the generalized form. So let us consider one more example. 2,05,004. 2,05,004. So in this number we are having 300. So while expanding a number, you can consider zeros or you can skip the zeros. So I will write in both by taking the zeros and without taking the zeros. How to write a number in the generalized form, I will show you here. So 2, it is in which place? See here, unit, tens, 100, 1000, 10,000, lakh. 2 is in lakh place, so 2 into 1 lakh. Plus 0 into 0, it is in 10,000. Unit, tens, 100, 1000, 10,000 place. So 0 into 10,000. Plus 5 into, it is in 1000 place, 1000. Next, plus 0 into 100. This 0, it is in 100 place. Plus, again 0 is there, 0 into, it is in tens place. At last, 4, it is in unit place. So 4 into 1. Now I have written this number in the expanded form. So this can be written as 2 into 1 lakh is 2 lakh. Plus 0 into 10,000 is 0. Plus 5 into 1000 is 5,000. Plus 0 into 100 is 0. Sorry, 0 into 100 is 0. Plus 0 into 10 is 0. Plus 4 into 1 is 4. If you add all these numbers, you are getting a number which they have given you, 2,05,004. This is the one way of writing this number in the generalized form. So another one shortcut way you are having to write that 2,05,004. So that is, you can skip the zeros here. That is also correct. But the place values you should have to write correctly. So 2 into. So 2, it is in lakh place. So 2 into 1 lakh. Plus, you can skip the 0 here because we are having 0. If you consider 0 and multiply any number, 0 into any number is, again you are getting a 0. So if you are getting 0, while adding the numbers, it is not necessary. It will not add 0. So you can skip it. So if you skip this 0, 5. 5 into. So 5, it is in which place? See here. Unit, tens, 100, 1000. So 5 into 1000. Plus, again we are having 2 zeros. You can skip them. So at last you are having 4 into 2 lakh plus 5 into 1000 is 5000 plus 4 into 1 is 4. So now we have written this number in generalized form. You can consider this or you can consider this. Both are correct. This will take a step more. This can be written in the short form. Both are correct. So next we take one more example and we go for next one afterwards. So the next example is 2 lakh. So 20,005. 20,005. So now I will write this number in the expanded form. How do you write this 20,005 in the expanded form? Only short form. Only two numbers are there here. Remaining all in between them we are having zeros. I have told you before only you can skip the zeros. So if you skip the zeros, how do you write this in the expanded form? 2 into unit tens, 100,000, 10,000. 2 it is in 10,000 place, so 2 into 10,000 plus again we are having 5 in unit place, so 5 into 1. That's all. This is the answer that we have written in the expanded form. So 2 into 10,000 is 20,000 plus 5 into 1 is 5. If you add these two, you are getting 20,005. So this is a way of writing a given number in the generalized form. So next we go for normal form. So next we discuss about the normal form. Second one, normal form. So next we discuss about the normal form. So normal form means it is a way to write a very large or very small numbers in a more compact form. So the expanded number only you have to write in the compact form. Already you have studied about the generalized form. So number which are written in generalized form, those numbers if you write in the compact form, it means in small number. So that is nothing but the usual form or normal form. So let us consider one of the example. How do we write a number in the normal form? So I will take one example here. 2 into 10,000 plus 5 into 1,000 plus 3 into 100 plus 2 into 10 plus 7 into 1. So this is a number they have given you. So this number you have to write in the normal form or usual form. So how do you write this number in the normal form? So as already you know that 2 into 1 lakh is how much? It is 2 lakh. Plus 5 into 1000 is how much? It is 5,000. Plus 3 into 100 is how much? It is 300. Plus 2 into 10 is 20. Plus 7 into 1 is 7. So it is not lakh. It is 10,000. 2 into 10,000 is 20,000. See here. First you observe the place values. 10,000 place is there. 1,000 place is there. 100 place is there. Tens place is there. Ones place is there. All the places you are having. Just you have to write a number, these numbers. Then you will get the answer. See here, first we are having 2. Next we are having 5. Next we are having 3. Next we are having here 2. Next we are having here 7. So if you add these all, you are getting 25,327. Here, if you don't have any of the places, after 10,000 directly if you are having 100, if they are not given you thousands place, so in that thousands place you have to write 0. If they are given after 10,000 place directly they have given you unit place only, in between 10,000 and unit place how many places you are having there? 1,000 places you are having, 100 places you are having, tens places you are having. These 3 places they are not given you. If they are not given you, 3 zeros you have to write in that places. Zeros you have to write in that places. So this is a way of writing a generalized number in the normal form. This is a generalized form. This number they will ask you to write in the normal form. If they ask you to write in the normal form, you have to write a number like this. So next we go for another example. I will take one more example and I will show you how to write a number in the normal form. So 2 into 1 lakh plus 5 into 100 plus 3 into 10. So this is the number they have given you and they ask you to write this number in the normal form. How do you write a number this in the normal form? So see here, observe the place values. 2 into 1 lakh, it is 2 lakh. Plus 5 into 100, it is 500. Plus 3 into 10, it is 30. I have told you, observe the place values. See here, 10,000, sorry, 1 lakh. Here it is 100, here it is 10. 1 lakh place is what? 2. So place value is what? 2. After 1 lakh, next what you are getting? You are getting 10,000. But here there is no any place having a 10,000. So if you don't have means you have to write 0. After 10,000, next you are getting 1,000. Is there 1,000 here? No. You are having directly a 100. So instead of 1,000, you have to write again a 0 here. So after 1,000, next you are having 100. Plus 100 place is there. So the place value is 5. So you have to write here 5. So after 100, next you are getting 10s place. So 10s place also is there. The place value of 10s place, the place value is 3. So that is what right here. And after 10, next you are having unit place. Don't stop it here only. If there is no number, you don't think that it is completed there only. After 10s place, you are having next one place, that is unit place. So the unit place number also they are not given here. So you have to write it 0. So the number is 2 lakh 530. 2 lakh 530. So like this, you have to write numbers in the normal form. So at last, I will take one more example for this normal form. So the example is 2 into 10,000 plus 7 into 100 plus 5 into 1. So 2 into 10,000 is 20,000 plus 7 into 100 is 700 plus 5 into 1 is 5. So 10,000 place value is 2. After 10,000 you are getting 1,000, but here there is no number having a 1,000. There is no number in the 1,000 place. So that you have to take 0. So after 1,000 you are getting 100. Plus 100 place is there and place value is 7. And after 100 next we are getting 10s place. 10s place is not here. So you have to write 0. And after 10s place you are getting unit place. Yes, unit place number is there. The place value is 5. So the number is 20,705. So like this you have to write a number in the generalized form and also in the normal form. I thought you have understood how to write a number in the generalized form and you have known how to write a number in the normal form. So in the next class we will discuss about the puzzles, mathematical puzzles, and we discuss about the divisibility test. Okay, today we will stop a chapter here only. So thank you.